Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install the PL2303 prolific driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Go ahead and jump straight into it guys. Go to the description of my video and I'm giving two links. One is backup link. You can download it easily. Name file here, you need to click on this driver installer. 12 MB downloading. After downloaded, click on here, open, show in folders, close after here and drag the file to desktop. Now right click on it, extract all, click extract. Now go ahead and double click on it and install the setup file. Double click, click yes. Sometimes Windows Defender can be a little tricky with driver update, but you can see this directly from the manufacturer's website here. Click next. After finishing this, it should be appear in device manager once it done. Thanks for watching my video guys, hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up guys. Goodbye.